Welcome to Curious Minds. It's happened again. Another uninvited visitor has just slipped into our solar system, and this time, it's stirring up even more questions than answers. Its name is 3I/Atlas. Not exactly catchy, but remember that because years from now we might still be talking about it. This object is moving at an unbelievable speed, over 152,000 miles per hour. We don't know where it came from. Some experts suggest it's not even from our galaxy. And it's already got astronomers everywhere on edge. See, 3I/Atlas isn't just speeding through space, it's glowing, right now far from the warmth of the sun. Normally comets only develop a bright coma, that fuzzy halo, as they get close and start to heat up. But this one, it's shining way too early, and way too bright. Some say it almost looks intentionally perfect. This all sounds familiar, doesn't it? Back in 2017, an object called Oumuamua shocked the world. It zipped through our solar system, then did something no comet or asteroid should do. It sped up without leaving a single trace of gas or debris behind. No natural object has ever acted like that. Some scientists, like Harvard's Avi Loeb, even suggested it could be an artificial probe. Now here comes 3I/Atlas, possibly even bigger and even stranger. If it's made of regular rock, its brightness could mean it's up to 20 kilometers wide. That's millions of times more massive than Oumuamua. What if it's not just a rock? What if it's something built? Or something sending a message? I know it sounds like science fiction, but the truth is, we just don't know. 3I/Atlas is set for a Mars flyby in October 2025. Earth will be on the other side of the sun, out of its path. But this could be our best opportunity yet to study an interstellar visitor up close. And here's where things get really weird. For all of human history, we never saw anything like this. Then, in just a few years, we get Oumuamua in 2017, Borisov in 2019, and now 3I/Atlas in 2025. Why now? Is it just better technology? Or are these visitors arriving more often, maybe on purpose? The James Webb Space Telescope and the Vera Rubin Observatory are both tracking 3I/Atlas closely. One thing's for sure, this isn't science fiction anymore, and it's real. And it's here. So what is 3I/Atlas? A rogue comet? A message from deep space? Or something else entirely? I'm watching, and I hope you are too. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Curious Minds for more fascinating content.